Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before we go into this educational video on listening and speaking practice for English language learners, in this video, let me introduce myself. My name is Hunani Diani, and here we will explore the importance of listening and speaking skills in language acquisitions and provide practical tips and exercise to improve your listening and speaking ability. And the next is introduction to listening and speaking skills. Listening and speaking are two fundamental skills in language learning. Effective listening and speaking skills enable you to communicate effectively, understand different accent and dialect, and build strong relationships with native speakers. So, in this video, we will discuss the importance of these skills and provide practical exercise to improve your listening and speaking abilities. And the next is, there's importance of listening skills. Listening is a crucial skill in language learning. It allows you to understand different accents, dialect, and vocabulary, which is essential for effective communications. So here are some reasons why listening skills are important. And the first is improved comprehension. Listening helps you understand spoken language more effectively, which is essential for communications. And number two is a changed vocabulary. Listening exposes you to new words and phrases, which can help you expand your vocabulary. And number three is better pronunciations. Listening to a native speaker can help you improve your pronunciations by mimicking their intonation and rhythm. And the next is there's effective listening strategies. To improve your listening skills, it is essential to develop effective listening strategies. Here are some strategies you can use. And the first is active listening. Pay attention to the speaker and avoid distraction. And the second is note taking. Take notes while listening to help you remember the key points. And the last one is repeat and summarize. Repeat what you heard and summarize the main points to ensure you understand the content. And the next one is importance to speaking skills. Speaking is another crucial skill in language learning that allows you to express your thoughts and ideas effectively, which is essential for building strong relationships and communicating effectively. Here are some reasons why speaking skills are important. And the first is effective communications. Speaking enable you to communicate your thoughts and ideas effectively. And number two is improve confidence. In English, speaking in English can boost your confidence and help you feel more comfortable in English speaking environments. And the last one is a changed vocabulary. Speaking expose you to new words and phrases, which can help you expand your vocabulary. And this is effective speaking strategies. To improve your speaking skills, it is essential to develop effective speaking strategies. Here are some strategies you can use. And the first is practice regularly. Practice speaking regularly to improve your fluency and confidence. And the second is use authentic materials. Use authentic materials such as new articles, videos, and podcasts to practice your speaking. And the last one is focus on pronunciations. You focus on improving your pronunciation by mimicking native speakers. Uh, and the next one is the conclusions. In conclusions, listening and speaking are two fundamental skills in language learning. Effective listening and speaking skills enable you to communicate effectively, understand different accent and dialect, and build strong relationship with native speakers. By following the tips and exercise provided in this video, you can improve your listening and speaking abilities and become a more confident English speakers. And this is the additional tips. In additional tips, you can watch English TV shows and movies. If watching English TV shows and movies can help you improve your listening and speaking skill by exposing you to different accents and vocabulary. And the next is you can join a language exchange program. Joining a language exchange program can help you practice speaking with native speakers and improve your pronunciations. And the last is you can use language learning apps. Using language learning apps such as Duolingo and Babbel can help you practice listening and speaking skill through interactive exercises and quizzes. And the next one is additional research. In additional research, English language learning apps you can use like Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stones. In language exchange program, you can search conversation exchange, tandem, or HelloTalk. And the English TV shows and movie you can watch Netflix, Amazon Prime, or Hulu. Okay. Remember, improving your listening and speaking skills takes time and practice. Stay committed to your language learning goals, and you will see significant improvement over time. Good luck and happy learning.